Hi, my name is Farah Qaiser. I recently completed a Master of Science degree in genomics at the University of Toronto. Today, let me tell you about the work of Dr. Quarraisha and Dr. Salim Abdool. Together, the Karims are the 2020 John Dirks Canada Gairdner Global Health Award winners.
A virus is a tiny organism which can infect bacteria, plants, and animals, causing diseases like the common cold and COVID-19. In humans, one example of a deadly virus is the human immunodeficiency virus, also known as HIV, which causes acquired immunodeficiency syndrome, leaving our body's immune system exposed to other diseases. One way to prevent HIV is through the ABCs, where A stands for abstinence to avoid having sex, B stands for being faithful to reduce HIV risk by having one partner, and C stands for using a condom to stop the transfer of body fluids. But the ABCs aren't perfect. In fact, some of the ABCs are very dependent on societal changes, which can be really difficult to change. Are there better ways to prevent HIV, especially for women? This is what two scientists, Dr. Quarraisha Abdool and Dr. Salim Abdool, have been working on for over 30 years. The Karims developed for the first time a gel which prevents HIV infections through sex and empowered women to protect themselves. Their work laid the foundations for pre-exposure prophylaxis, a strategy to prevent HIV which is now recommended by the World Health Organization. The Karims are the recipient of a 2020 John Dirks Canada Gairdner Global Health Award for this important contribution. The Gairdner Award is a prestigious honor that recognizes researchers who have made a big impact in their field of study.
Thanks for listening, and don't forget there are other videos, comics, and articles about the other Gairdner Award winners this year. Just check out the website below. Thanks for listening, and bye!